Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to use the Mendeley. Mendeley is another reference citation manager, and it's different from the EndNote and Zotero. So we will learn how to download and install Mendeley, how to create the login account for the Mendeley. Unlike Zotero and EndNote, the Mendeley requires the login account so that it can save your all reference online. You don't need to save those reference inside the computer. And how to install the Mendeley web browser. This is extension which you can install inside the Chrome, and you can download the citation just by one click. And the last thing is we will learn how to install the Mendeley Cite for the MS Word, which is plugin for the MS to use the citation inside the MS Word. So let's first download the Mendeley. Go to the Google and write Mendeley Reference Manager download. It will take us to the Mendeley homepage. So we will click download Mendeley. So here we can download the Mendeley Reference Manager, and there is the option to download for the Windows. So I will choose this option. It also gives the option for the Mac and Linux, but I will use the Windows. Just click. So the downloading has been started. So here you can see the Mendeley Reference Manager is downloaded, and I will install this by double click. So I will choose anyone who uses this computer can use. So you need to choose the folder where you want to install. Click install. And then click finish. So once you install the Mendeley software, it will open like this. It will ask us to create an account on the Elsewhere website and then log in. So I have already created an account. If you don't have account, you can create using Gmail address. I will just log in. And then sign in. So once you click on the install Mendeley web importer, it will take us to this website. So but this is for the, so this link is open in the Firefox. So it's going to give me the extension for the Firefox, as you can see here, but I want for the Chrome browser. So I will maybe copy this link and open in the Chrome. So as I have copied the link and inserted into the Chrome, now it's giving me the web importer for the Chrome. So you have to choose the browser where you want to, you have to choose the browser which you often use to download the citations. So I am going to use for the Chrome. So then click this one. And it asks me to add the extension or web importer to the Chrome. Just click add. It will take some time. So here you can see it has been added. Just click three dots and go to extensions, manage extension. Here you can see the Mendeley is already added and it's active. You can remove anytime. Okay, so I may pin this. How to pin this? Details and pin to the toolbar. Okay, so now you can see the Mendeley is here. If you cannot see the Mendeley, you can simply go to the three dots, extension, manage extension, click on details, and then pin to the toolbar. So our Mendeley is web importer is already installed. Okay, now we will head towards installation of Mendeley Cite for the Microsoft Word. So simply open the Mendeley and then go to the tool and click on install Mendeley Cite for the Microsoft. Once you click on this, you will go to this website. So this is from the Microsoft, and you will be able to freely download this Mendeley Cite for the Word, and by clicking here. And once you have downloaded, then you need to open the Microsoft Word, and in the Word click on the home and then click on the right hand side add-ins. In add-ins you simply need to click the Mendeley Cite. So now the Mendeley Cite is in your Word file. So here you can see the Mendeley Cite. So again, one thing we need to confirm whether we need to create an account, log in the account here or not. So let's check on the right hand side. So simply go to again login, the email address, click so now we are already in, so we can get started. So we can see the Mendeley option in the reference folder, reference option, and then Mendeley Cite is here. So in this video we have installed the Mendeley software, which is like this. After installation we have created and logged in the account. As you can see on this bottom left, I am already signed in. If you don't have account on the elsewhere, you can simply create using your Gmail. And third thing we did is Mendeley web importer. So in the browser we have already installed the Mendeley extension, as you can see here, so which will be very helpful to download the citation. I will show you in next video. And last thing, we have already installed the Mendeley Cite for the Microsoft Word, as you can see here. So we have completed all necessary requirement, and now we will move towards the downloading or using the Mendeley in coming videos. Thank you very much.